Before our first performers take the floor, we have a friendly student versus staff basketball challenge. The student will be roused home and on board.
Well, let's be honest, I think we had a clear winner. And here he is.
Everyone please welcome the one and only Craig the Magician.
How did you feel about the assembly?
Amazing! Like, I had the best seat. It was an epic assembly because I got to be in it and W black people. Same. The music was cool.
How did you feel about the assembly?
I thought it was a really cool way to talk about Black excellence and celebrate Black History Month. And everything was really cool and put together very well.
How do you feel about the assembly?
It was really great, and I liked the performances.
How did you feel about the Black Excellence Assembly this morning?
I thought it was an amazing assembly. I'm so proud of our BSU students who stepped up, helped plan it. Our performers were engaging, exciting, and a true example of Black excellence. Happy Black History Month, even though it's 365, 24/7.
Everyone please welcome the one and only Craig the Magician.
Okay, number two, Jonathan, say stop.
Stop.
Place your card back, you know what it is, yes?
Yeah.
Are you thinking?
Yes.
Raise your left hand if you're thinking about the Jack of Clubs. Now, and where do you want it?
Yes.
Okay, on the top of the deck? On the top?
Yes.
Do you want me to shuffle the cards or leave the cards as is?
Leave it as is.
Hello, ma'am?
Okay, I have a card.
Hey, you got one in mind?
I do.
What card are you thinking of?
9 of hearts.
How did you feel about the assembly this morning?
I liked it. Especially because it was a place where we all came together at one time in over 3 years.
How did you feel about the Black Excellence Assembly this morning?
It was really fun and a good thing to watch.
How did you feel about the Black Excellence Assembly this morning?
It was fantastic. There were some great dancers.
In the center here, we have the Dunumba. Everyone say Dunumba.
Dunumba.
How did you feel about the Black Excellence Assembly this morning?
It was very cool and amazing the way I spoke up there though. It was kind of like nerve-wracking and I was like nervous to do it, but I got used to it and I did it.
You did a good job. How did you feel about the assembly this morning?
I thought that today's assembly was the best thing that happened at school all year. I thought It was really impressive to see the BSU kids have like signs that say clap or signs that say respect the speaker. I thought the cue cards were great. I thought the two people who emceed and hosted it were awesome. I thought Samaj and then the people up there reading the poems was great. I just thought it was a really awesome celebration that we've needed for a long time at Rowe. So thanks to everybody who helped put that together.
How did you feel about the assembly this morning?
I liked it. I liked that the people who were dancing were like genuinely happy and like enthusiastic about it.
How did you feel about the Black Excellence Assembly?
I really liked it. It was really cool.
Just really quick, if you're part of BSU that helped plan this assembly, helped plan and make the video, could you all just stand up so we can give you a big round of applause? You all worked hard all night. All of our BSU students are standing up around the room. Our leaders,